You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two names once and for all correctly. You know the names. It's the first name of the current president of the United States, and you've got this famous food chain, American food chain, global food chain now. Donald is how it's pronounced, so that's the top name here. Donald. Donald. Stress on the do syllable, alright? Donald. And then if you want the food chain is Mick. It's pronounced Mick, okay? It's not Mac, it's not Muck, it's not G, it's Mick. McDonald's. How to pronounce Donald? English pronunciation, McDonald's. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.